Hello, friends. This is Home for Roses, and today being the 5th of January 2025, I want to say once again, Happy New Year, and how has it been? I just want to take a quick look at my outlook or expectation on British pound USD for the week. Like last week, I said that on the monthly basis, I'm still bearish in as much as I might scalp the lower time frame, but monthly I'm bearish, and the reason is I'm still looking at the monthly to take out liquidity at minimum on this zone, which is my outlook. I'll be looking at this, and it's yet to take out liquidity at the zone once this is done, because like I said, the monthly has already changed structure to bullishness, but some other things has to be fulfilled for this bullish run to continue or to take place. So one of those things I'm looking at is at minimum let the monthly take liquidity here. After the liquidity here, it might probably get to the zone, but then I'll be looking at it to buy on the monthly aspect. But for now, I'm bearish on the monthly until something the market will show me that it's done within the zone. That it's what it takes for the monthly. Sorry about that. Then dropping down on the weekly. This is where we are on the weekly. If the weekly is respecting the monthly, which it should, we are looking at the zone to be taken, probably a respect here, but this is my major outlook for this. After that, we can now take a buy using that. Moving down to the daily, which will be our analysis will be based morely on the daily in order to be able to utilize it well. The market has created a fair value gap here on its way down. As the week is coming up, I expect the market to at least run up to fill this fair value gap. And probably if it must continue up, get to this other block. These are the areas that I mapped out. After this order, I'm not expecting the market to go beyond the zone. Those are my outlook. So when I look at this market respect the fair value gap, I can decide to continue my sell to this zone. Paraventure, it might get to this zone, but this is my main area for the price to get to this zone. So these are my expectation for the week. Let's see how it goes. In the meantime, we look at using the daily, and then we can drop down to the 4H to see exactly what the price is doing, how the price is doing, what it's doing. This is it, the area on the daily that we want the market to fill the fair value gap. There is another fair value gap here, which will also cause the price to get to the other block we are looking at. Using this, there is another fair value gap here on the 4H. So if all things being equal, the markets need to respect the zone here, here, paraventure here, and then get to the zone. Then a drop down will continue to this zone. If market is very, very generous enough, we might get to this particular zone. So I'm bearish in British pound USD till we've gotten to this zone. Then we can know if we'll get to, probably because the reason I said this zone, there is a big figure here, which is the 22,500. So the market might want to touch that zone after crossing here. It will get to this drop down, and then it might go up again. Till then, that is my own outlook for the week. That is starting with 5th of December, 5th of January, sorry, to 10th of January. Let's see how the week runs. I wish you all the best, and I'm happy trading, and I'll be grateful. Just a thumbs up, a review, and probably subscribe to my channel. God bless you and have a lovely trading week.